I think it all came back when I was looking back at you. Oh, how I've missed those sights. You must have missed mine too. Did you breathe me in? If you would only know that you're in my air, for every second, everywhere I go.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are at Sunset Walk. We're gonna check out this car show behind us that they have here every Saturday from 4 to 9, and they got a lot of classic cars here to look at, so come join us. A 1993 Chevy. Look at that engine. What a beauty. What you think of this car, baby?
It's a 1939.
1939, that was decades ago.
Yeah.
Oh my God, what you think of this pickup over here? You like the color? I do like the color of this pickup. It's really nice. And I like the interior with the color scheme like that, the black and the blue and the white. It's a beautiful car. Yeah, this is nice. What year do you think this car is, huh?
This one,
Take a guess.
1960.
1960s? This is from the 1960s? Guys, do you think she's right? We'll have to find out. Look at the Bel Air. Now this is the beautiful car. This is the nice car, baby, the Bel Air. Look at this.
This is like a 1955.
Think this is a 1955? All right. If you get one right, I'm gonna give you something tonight. Beautiful. All right, let's go over here. Baby, come on. $55, okay. She guessed it. Okay, I got you a loss. Oh man, I owe you a diamond ring? Okay. Oh man, that's what you guessed, right? You guessed 55 or you said 53?
55.
You said 55? Oh man, you must have saw that somewhere. Look at this one. Oh, I love the front of that car. That's a beauty. Yeah, but you know what? The thing about this car is that it looks the condition of the year. You know what I mean? That's, you know, all these other cars, you know, they were beautifully upkept, but this actually looks like the condition of the year.
Yeah.
So it looks old. Just kidding. That's messed up. Look at this thing.
Engine is in the rear.
What year do you think this is, huh? What you guessing? It's a hard one, huh? How about this Cadillac? What you think about this Cadillac? Look at the door, baby. What you think of this Cadillac?
Gorgeous.
It's gorgeous.
It's
You like that
different.
color? That's the color of your lipsticks. Oh, now this is nice. This is a Pontiac, and you're already looking at the year, so you can't guess. But this is nice. I love this color. This is a nice car right here. Look at the inside.
It's a 1960 Catalina.
Catalina, huh? They should have named this 1960 Cynthia, and I would have rode it all my life. I would have kept it in my collection. How about this baby right here? That's a nice color too. This is a Chevelle. The color is nice. This is beautiful. And look at the inside. Wow. Now that's a nice looking car right here. The inside's incredible.
I think it was refurbished.
I have no idea if it was refurbished, but it's a good looking ass car. That's a good looking car right there. What do we got here? Chevrolet. Let's take a look at this engine.
Wow, that's gorgeous. Look at this. Look how pretty. It's nice and clean.
Of course, when you got a classic like this, you gotta keep it in good condition. Look at the wheel, the steering wheel. See that? Yeah, this is a nice one too. Oh my God, this one is gorgeous, but we'll get up to that one. And look at this one, El Camino. Take a look at the inside. What you think about this car, babe? I know you liking the red.
Yeah.
That's gonna stand out.
Say that, yeah.
Imagine taking this.
It's an apple red.
Imagine taking this car and just driving across country with it. Oh my God! You know how amazing that would be? It's like a bucket list item that we need to check off. If we're gonna go across country, we have to go across country in a classic car. Look at this. Now this is beautiful. This color is amazing. I love this right here. That is nice. Look at this thing. Look how cute this is. Even in the inside, they have the little car right here. Man, this blue is beautiful. And the inside just gorgeous. Cause you know how much I love white. That's a gorgeous car. What you think? It's one of the best ones right now that I've seen. I love it. I love the design, the look. I love the mirrors right here on the side. Doesn't get any better. Look at this. I like the red and white. It's nice. Great looking car. It's a great looking car right there. Oh my God, look at this orange. Wow, look at this. This is old school too a little bit. But this right here, that's like candy right there. Crazy.
10-inch rims inside the
It's-
wheel well.
Oh my god. I like these windows in the back. It's pretty old school. It doesn't have door handles, so it's kind of weird, but
On the inside. See from the inside?
yeah, it's a nice car. Beautiful color too. Look at the front of this car. It looks badass.
Like the car is staring at you.
Yep, it's telling you that it means business, you know? All right, let's keep going over here, see what else they got, guys. This is a beautiful car too coming up here. I love the red and white. Again, the red and white. That's a nice color scheme. Wow. Look at this.
1955.
1955 again? That was a good year. That was a good year for cars. This is another Bel Air. You see, I love the Bel Airs, man. For some reason, like, this car is the one that's grabbing my attention. And if I have to buy one, it's gonna be this car. Like a classic car is gonna be this one. Yep. I think so.
I like this car. It's real pretty.
Guys, leave a comment below and let me know what car would you collect in your own personal collection. Which car would be the one that you would have in your collection? Look at this. You only see this in movies.
1952.
1952. Hey, baby. Nice. Nice. Oh, look at this one, the lime green, the lemon green. That's a nice color too. That's a beautiful car.
I know you love the color.
That's a nice color. That's like an avocado. You got some chips that I can dip into this car because this car is looking sweet. Yeah, this is an amazing car. Wow. Oh my God, look at the interior. You can't go wrong. I mean, the white speakers on the side. I mean, this is gorgeous. The rear view mirror is beautiful. Oh my God, what a beautiful car. What a beautiful car, man. That's a retirement car right there. Look at that. God, I'm jealous. See what else they got over here, guys. Nice. I love the headlights on this vehicle. This is a 1936. Wow.
Do not step on it.
Oh my God. It's,
25,000.
yeah, right. This car's worth way more than that. Look at this. This is awesome. When I don't want you inside the car, I can put you back there in the back seat. You heard?
Huh?
I can put you back there in the back seat.
Really?
This is cute. This is a nice car. The black and red,
Oh, it's gorgeous.
very gorgeous.
Love it.
Wow, nice looking car too. This is crazy. Look at the windows in this car. You know how small they are? Look at this. Oh my God. And look how they put this thing up here. This is so old school. I love it. Oh man.
Mira la pintura de este.
Oh wow, look at this. Look at this color. This is a nice color too. This kind of looks like the Bel Air that was over there.
Yeah.
Look at that grill. I love it. I like the window shape too. Got the little wood grain interior. Wow.
Le puso glass.
Baby, it's a little too much horsepower for you. A little too much horsepower for you.
Just a few minutes for our first one. We draw 4:30, 5:30, 6:30, and then just a little bit before 7. Before the band Slickwood goes on stage.
Beautiful car too.
Tickets are going to be drawing up probably one more song, maybe two. Not just one song. And then we're going to go ahead and
Look at this, baby. The Gremlin.
So,
The Gremlin.
get you in the bucket there. Let's see what we got left. Okay, here we go for Bud. Bud here, we're see. I know his car's there. We'll make sure he's out there so we can hear his song. Yeah, okay, Bud. All right, here we go.
This is definitely a unique car. Look at he's got 8 tracks in there. Awesome.
1974.
1974. Wow, this was a year before. This was a year before. Let me see. Before someone was born. I'm just kidding, babe. Oh my God. Oh, here you go, baby. This is your car right here. The Volkswagens. This is your car right here.
Yeah. I like this car. It's like a bouncy ride.
This is a cute car. All right, we're almost done here. Oh, it sticks out, right?
Charlie handed in his dime at the Kendall Square station and he changed for Jamaica Plain.
This is a nice one too.
When he got there, the conductor told him one more nickel. Charlie wouldn't
9,000 for
get
this
off
one.
that.
79,000.
It's a 1950.
Oh man, that's a retirement check.
1954.
1950, baby. Crazy.
It has low mileage too.
And then we have this one right here, the last one out of the bunch.
Rides through the station crying, what will become of
Crazy, huh?
How can I afford to send my sister in Chelsea or my cousin in Roxbury? But did he ever return? No, he never returned. And his fate still unlearned. He may ride forever beneath the streets of Boston. He's a man who never returned. Charlie's wife goes down to the Scully Square station every day at 2:15.
Hey guys, so I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and leave a comment below and let me know what was your favorite car out of all the cars that you've seen today. I personally like the Bel Airs. Which one did you enjoy?
I think that one too. The
Like
red and white.
the red and white? Yeah, the red and white ones were nice too. But I really enjoyed the Bel Airs.
1950.
The 1950s, you know, it's all about the old school era of cars, man. That's where it was. And you know, these new cars ain't got nothing on the classics, man. I'm telling you. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.